before going to first law of thermodynamics, here we should discuss now about certain thermodynamical terms. Thermodynamical terms. As here in the introduction, we told that thermodynamics is the study of flow of heat in a system, or it is the exchange of heat between system and surroundings. So, here what do you mean by system and what do you mean by surroundings? That first we should try to understand. So, what is first a system? System is a small part of the universe, a small part of the universe with well defined macro properties like mass, volume or pressure or temperature or any other density or area, anything, any measurable property. A small part of the universe with well defined micro properties and confined with certain fixed boundary. Then what is surrounding? Surrounding is nothing but the whole universe except the system under consideration. So, system is otherwise nothing but a small part of the universe which is under consideration or under study. Small part of the universe which is under study. So, if you consider that this is the whole universe, in this a small part, that is, this is your system and this is surroundings and this whole thing is universe. So, in a universe, the whole universe in which a small part, the part under study, the part under consideration, which is defined with certain macro properties like mass or volume, temperature, pressure, density, area or any such a measurable property and is separated from surroundings with well defined boundary. This is the boundary. Here this boundary not necessary to be physically existing, even it can be an imaginary boundary, right. So, that but only here the boundary, the exact meaning is that one or the other way the system and surrounding should be differentiable. The demarcation line or the differentiable line, that whatever we imagine, that is what we call a boundary, right. So, now heat exchange, the study of heat exchange between the system and surroundings is what we are going to do, what we are going to study in the topic of this thermodynamics. Next, here when it comes to the systems, we have different types of systems. The systems have been classified into three types. What are the three types of systems? One is open system. An open system is the one which exchange both heat and mass with surroundings. Suppose if you take hot water in a tumbler, if you take a hot water in a tumbler, heat will transmit through the walls and from the opening it is the vapors that will escape out. As vapors escape out, there will be a decrease in the water level in the tumbler, and as initially that it is hot, but as the time proceeds the temperature decreases, because if this is at temperature T1 and the surroundings, this is surroundings, then now this is your system, this is surroundings, now this is separated by this boundary. Now here surroundings are at lower temperature, T1 is greater than T2. As a result, what will happen is that after some time the heat will exchange with the surroundings. So as a result, the system will get cooled, temperature decreases. So in an open system, that is hot water taken in an open vessel, open tumbler, where there is no lid, there is no car, then vapors will escape out into the surroundings. As a result, there will be a decrease in mass, and heat also transfers through the boundary, and the heat enters into the surroundings from the system. As a result, the temperature of the system decreases because of the heat flow. So an open system is the one which exchange both heat and mass with the surroundings.